All right, everybody. Kelly here with the new Wolfpack Ninja Nation. And today we're going to go over how to run a successful Facebook ad, literally launch it in under a minute and yield results that day. Now, guys, couple things. If you are looking to scale your business, if you're looking to create income in more ways than just the traditional real estate model, if you want to see how to 10x your results and create wealth for you, your business, and your family, look below. I'm going to go ahead and put a link on there. Jump on my calendar. I leave it open 3 days a week, and I want to go ahead and have a consultation with you. As a real estate coach, trainer, with a lot of agents that are on my team and that follow me, my heart and my compassion and my passion is to help agents 10x their business and to create sustainable wealth. So if you want to get on my calendar, look below. I'll put that link. It'll be there for you guys to go ahead and schedule at your convenience. And I want to share with you some avenues that you are not probably using right now to bring the type of income that you got into this business for. Fair enough? All right. Also, I'm going to be training today on the Facebook ad technique utilizing listings to leads. And this amazing company offers a 30-day free trial. So look below. If you like what I'm about to show you, grab that link and get your 30-day free trial. I'm not demoing listings to leads today, guys, but I'm going to show you a quick Facebook ad creation. Now, in the past, if you wanted to create a Facebook ad, you would either have to learn how to do it. It takes hours. I don't care what guru you listen to properly format and create an ad can take hours. And the more you do it, the quicker that time frame condenses. So once you really learn how to do it the old way, you could probably create a Facebook ad in about 25 to 35 minutes, right? And then just kind of launch it and see what happens. The way that we do it, we literally will launch an ad that will start getting phone numbers, names, and emails today, and it will take us 1 to 3 minutes to launch the ad. And the really cool thing is Listings to Leads does everything for you. Once you link your Facebook business page with your platform, it's done. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So you're sitting there in your office and you want to go ahead and create an ad, right? You want to run an ad today. Here's how it's going to work. You're going to log into Listings to Leads. You're going to come down to the Ads tab and you're going to click it. You can either create, now today I'm going to do Facebook, but I'm going to drop another video probably later today on how to run a Google ad in this system. Guys, back to what I said a minute ago, the ways that agents are doing it is to learn how to do it. It takes a lot of time, a lot of process. There's a lot of things you have to get right. And if you screw one of those up, like not checking the special housing category, you could get your account banned, right? So the other thing is you could pay somebody to do it. You know, back in the day, we had ad agencies charging $300 to $500 a month to manage your ads plus your spend. We don't need that anymore. If you're paying somebody right now to run your Facebook ads, stop it. Put the money you're spending on providing them cash flow to run your ads. Keep that as your ad spend, right? So when you log into Listings to Leads, basically, I'm going to create a Facebook ad. I can create a listing ad, which is going to get me buyers or sellers, a landing page ad, a PDF guide, or a custom ad. Let's do a listing ad. I'm going to run this on one of my listings, and it's going to default to the lead ads. This is where you're going to get phone numbers, names, and emails automatically. Create the ad, and guys, it's AI bot, its internal software is doing everything. Now watch this. It's already pulling the pictures from the listing. It's created all of the text with emojis and a text to call feature, right? And if they go ahead and click learn more, this software has already created a landing page for you. An amazing landing page complete with a home evaluation link, free PDF ebooks that are branded to you, instantly created. It defaults to where it knows the address is, but guys, I can add in whatever I want. I can say, I also want to run this ad in Orlando. There it is. Oh, I'd like to go out 20 miles, right? It always defaults to lifetime, so I could change that to daily budget. I can say, you know what? $10 a day, $5, whatever you want, right? It's got a start and end time, and you can change all of that. You can retarget current leads, but guys, if I go to advanced options, right? Look at the interest. This thing is so smart. It already knows, hey, anybody on Facebook that's looking at mortgage loans, Zillow, real estate, Truly, or realtor.com, all of this, it automatically puts that on there. And guys, you can add interest as well, right? I can change the business page that I want it to come from just simply by doing that. And guys, I can change any of this contact. What I like to do, this says get your free home estimate now. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say click to learn more, right? Kissimmee, Florida Homes, click to learn more, right? That is a proper ad. It already checked the campaign for housing. Guys, if I hit the word publish, which I'm not because I actually just sold this house, but if I click that, more than likely, this is going to sync up to my Facebook business page, but more than likely within an hour, this ad's going to be live, give or take. And I will more than likely start getting leads today on this ad. Now, what's great about this software, and let me quit sharing for a minute. What's great about the software is it will allow you to send those leads to your favorite CRM. If you're using KV Core, if you're using Follow Up Boss, Chime, this will sync and send those leads automatically. It also has an email, incredible email follow-up chain, guys, complete with done-for-you emails that includes free PDF guides in their emails. It's amazing. So guys, there you go. That is how you can run a Facebook ad in about a minute that absolutely gets results. So if you're tired of paying somebody to run your ads, if it's confusing to you, look below. I'll give you the link. Get your 30-day free trial, and you literally can start running ads today on Facebook. And they have internally massive training. And while I'm just sharing with you guys today on how to run a Facebook ad, they have got so many marketing tools for you. Guys, this is the very site that I use to get free marketing tools that I give away to FSBOs to try and get their listings in 30 to 40 days, right? This thing is absolutely a proper real estate marketing software funnel, PDF, ebook, video guide system. So having said that, look below, get your free trial or not. Tell me what you think about this. Also, comment below if you've struggled running Facebook ads. Just say, hey, Kelly, I've struggled. And I suggest giving this a try since it doesn't cost you anything the first 30 days, except your ad spend. All right, that's it, guys. And again, if you guys are wanting to find out how you can take your business to the next level, partner with a group that has the highest amount of agents producing sales anywhere in eXp Realty, the Wolfpack Nation. Join the Wolfpack Ninja Nation tribe, guys, and we will show you how to run proper social media ads. We'll show you how to scale your business. We'll show you how to use YouTube to dominate your local area. Guys, we are selling millions of dollars off of simple YouTube strategies. And all of that training, including coaching calls, mastermind calls, your own dashboard, all of that is included when you decide that you want to partner with the Wolfpack Ninja Nation. So look below, get on my calendar, and let's talk about your business. All right, that's it, guys. Tell me what you think about this really unique, cool Facebook ad strategy. And until I see you on the next video, listen to me. Go out and get you some closings. All right, guys, we'll talk soon.